Are you having trouble logging in Target since you forgot your password? Then worry not, because in this video, I'll explain how to recover Target account's password. Hi, it's me from GuideHub channel, serving to solve your problems in easiest and quickest possible way. Now let's get to the video. At first, open Target website on a browser. Then click on Sign In option, which is on the right corner next to the search bar. Again, click on Sign In. Now, we are here to recover our password, so click on Forgot Password. Here, enter the email address or mobile number which is linked with the Target account. Click on Continue. You can choose to reset your password or sign in with a temporary code. You will be sent a code to your email address so that you can get back into your account. Here, I choose to reset my password. Click on Send Code. Now wait for the verification code. Click on Verify. Now you can create a strong and unique password. Click on Create Password. And with that, we have recovered our Target account's password, which is just quick and easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe. Stay tuned for more.